In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the "This site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome. If a website won't load, these simple troubleshooting steps can help you get back online. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data and try opening another website to see if the problem is with your connection or just one specific site. Next, refresh the web page by clicking the reload button or pressing Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. If the error continues, clear Chrome's cache. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then delete browsing data. Select Cached Images and Files, click Delete Data and restart Chrome. You can also clear your DNS cache. On Windows, open Command Prompt as administrator, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. Then restart Google Chrome and try opening the website again. If the issue still isn't fixed, reset Chrome settings. Open Settings, go to Reset Settings, then click Restore Settings to their original defaults and confirm. This resets Chrome without deleting your bookmarks or saved passwords. Finally, restart your computer and try accessing the website again. If only one website isn't working, the problem may be with the website itself rather than your browser. That's how to fix the "This site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.